G'day all. Today we are down here in Tauranga with the Tauranga J.Swap team. We're here to test the new Fuso Shogun 510 6x4 tipper with the 4-axle trailer. And today we're joined by regular driver Steve. And so Steve's going to tell us all what we're about to do today.
Right, so we've got to go to our quarry just by Cambridge, get a load out of there, and we've got to bring that back down to the 15th Ave off-ramp, which is a part of the new expressway that's going through. And then from there we've got to come back to here to get a load, come back from here from Malini Street, take it to Kitty Cat Quarry, and then we've got to load up at Kitty Cat Quarry and then bring one back to here. And that's pretty much us done for the day. Otherwise, normally we finish around about 6 every day. Yeah. So today's just an early day. So
you're off the office boys today, so we'll knock off early.
Yeah.
All right, well, check it out, everyone. See how we get on.
The 510 horsepower Fuso Shogun has been on New Zealand roads for 3 years. New Zealand Truck and Driver magazine has previously tested the tractor version, and this new addition to the J.Swap fleet offers a chance for our September issue to look at the Shogun in a 7-axle truck and trailer role. The new Shogun works out of the Greerton depot in Tauranga, and it's one of the modern J.Swap units to feature the people, machines and the values of the big Matamata based operation in high quality murals. The Shogun and the also new 4-axle Cambridge Welding Services trailer are working on a 48-tonne permit, carting aggregates, sand and roading materials between quarries and depots to various construction jobs, mainly in the Bay of Plenty. The truck went on the road in early April, clocking up 19,000 kilometres just before we joined driver Steve Thompson for a day on Bay of Plenty and Waikato roads. The Shogun's 12.8 litre inline 6-cylinder engine develops 375 kilowatts, that's 510 horsepower, at 1600 RPM, while peak torque is 2,500 Newton metres at 1100 RPM. It combines SCR and DPF systems to achieve a Euro 6 emissions rating and has a 12-speed shift pilot automated transmission. The Shogun is the first one in the J.Swap fleet, and we spent the day with Steve making an unloaded run across State Highway 29 into the Waikato before carting a load of blue-brown 100 rock back across the Kaimais for the Northlink project. After a break, we shuttled road chip to Katikati and brought back a load of Gap 40 for the Greerton depot. Rear air suspension on the Shogun and for the trailer provides a comfortable ride, and the advanced safety roster includes lane departure warning and the active side guard assist blind spot system. Adaptive cruise control and active attention assist driver fatigue monitoring are also standard, and other tech includes LED low beam headlights, auto high beam control, smart key and a 7-inch touchscreen media display. The Shogun also has an excellent steering lock, and Steve says he needs it at some of the places the truck has to access. According to Steve, the best feature of the Shogun is the 12-speed transmission. It shifts smoothly and has 4 modes, with the auto heavy mode giving the best shift points, and Steve only uses the manual mode on a few occasions and when he's spreading gravel. The combination of length, weight, axle configuration and horsepower is ideal for the wide range of tipper work the 510 Shogun is doing. Steve says it's a setup that works well because some of the bigger units can't get into the sites as easily because of their length.